everybody. Today's video finds us over here in Phuket, and we're going to take a look at the Big Buddha. This was originally started in 2004, and it's a 45-meter tall giant Buddha that sits up on the hill. And you can see it all the way around if you're at the southern part of Phuket. It is the main Buddha image for the Wat Kata, which is actually down at the base of the hill. So we're going to go take a look at this, and we're going to look around and see what we see. I have never seen it this busy up here. It took me about 40 minutes just to park. There's cars everywhere. And this is where you first come in. So if you're wearing short shorts, you have to get a wrap. And if you're like sleeveless shirt, you got to cover your shoulders, stuff like that. So this is the outside of it right here. So this is when we first come in. So that is the top of the Buddha. So we can walk around and they have some Buddha like sayings and some imagery and stuff like that around here. And then we'll see the main Buddha. The Buddha is open every day from 6:30 in the morning till 6:30 in the evening. You got some of the big stones here that they're going to incorporate. And it's pretty windy. The wind is about 30 kilometers an hour in gusts today. And it might start raining at any time. So hopefully we'll be able to get this seen before the rain comes. They're still working on this part over here. They put a few of the stones. They have filled in the big holes and stuff over here. Now here are some of the shrines right over here by the Big Buddha. They have the Guanyin and all the figures and the Chinese music playing. So here we are up at the top of the hill. You can see all the people around getting pictures of the ocean as well as the Big Buddha, which is right here. There are so many people here today. So this is Phuket over here. Down over there, that is Wat Chalong. And then the old town of Phuket's up that way. And then you can see over here some of the small islands around Phuket, a little bit of the oceans, or a little bit of the beaches and stuff. And looking down towards the south. And over here is some of the habitat for some monkeys and some stuff like that. And this is a good warning right here. Do not feed or touch the monkeys. They will bite you. I've seen them over here like taking things out of people's bags and everything. And they all live just down here. And no monkeys here today, doesn't look like. And then over here, this is Kata Beach. And then over this way is Koron. I have a statue here of King Rama V right next to the giant Buddha. He was the first Thai king to visit Phuket. He came here twice. Over here they have a little shrine. And you can see the monks over here. So we'll go up there and we'll look at the main image. So here the monk will splash you with the water and then tie the string. Women are not allowed to touch the monks. So they'll put things at their feet or in the alms bowls. Over here you can make a donation to the temple for 300 baht. You can get one of these marble tiles and write your name on it and your little message, and they'll stick that on the outer part of the Buddha or on the pedestal here. Let's go up the stairs now. You can see how big it is. So 45 meters tall. This came a long way since I was over here last time. They've added all those tiles to the Naga. They were doing the rails last time. I've been up here, been coming up for years. So it's kind of cool to see how it has progressed. I'm gonna go up these stairs here. The stairs themselves are still rough. They'll eventually come over here and cover these with marble. The rails are done. All the little Nagas are done now. Yeah, in 2017, the Buddha was 80% done. So the Buddha is pretty much all done now. They're just doing all the cosmetic stuff around. And this is what it looks like at the top platform here. So I have the statue over there of King Rama V, small Buddha. And then over there is King Narsawon, I believe. Check out the Buddha. So he's sitting on the little lotus flowers, and you can see his, like the part of his robe over there, and his eyes are slightly downcast. Yeah, very cool. He's got the little hair rolls. So it's concrete. It's a concrete shell, and then they put those marble tiles all around it. And there's quite a bit of stuff around it. You have all the little images and seated Buddhas all around here. And then people come here and they burn the joe sticks. And there's the little prayer. So I'm not sure what that means. The homage to the triple gem. Oh, looks like they have the inside closed now. Last time I came, you could go in there. They must be doing some more renovation. So I see what they're doing. They're putting all the marble tiles on all the columns. So they'll cover all this up and it'll be quite nice. And it looks like they might be adding a second floor in here. I see scaffolding up above there. So before you could come here, they had some like places for meditation and stuff like that. Yeah, we can't walk underneath there today. That's all right. You can see they got the Erewhons and the Garuda. And there's lots of people up here today. This is so busy. It's kind of windy and cloudy, so I guess everybody left the beaches to come up here today. And they have other places here where you can make donations. You can buy those little things and write a message on those little hearts also. But how cool is this? 45 meters and it's up here on top of this hill. It's not the biggest Buddha in Thailand, but it kind of dominates this whole area. Wat Mung in Ong Tong is the tallest Buddha in all of Thailand. You can see they've added these little prayer wheels and stuff around here. And all this is all done, and they're gonna put like a rail up here, it looks like. You can see that concrete sticking up. Yeah, this is all completed. There's a couple tiles missing right here, but pretty much all the outside here is done. A lot more than when we were here. I guess it was almost 2 years ago now. You can see this here looks over towards Karan Beach. And Patong is on the other side of that hill. And the parking lot down here. They have all these images that they've taken from inside while they're doing all the marble tile work. So they'll put these back inside. Over here, they have this, they've hauled this reclining Buddha. This wasn't here last time. So they've brought it up here. They must be gonna put that inside here also. Right now it's just behind all this green fencing. And there's two of them. It actually doesn't look like they're the reclining Buddhas. It looks like they're some standing Buddhas that are in the like subduing Mara posture. And they're just up here. Yeah, so they'll have to bring a crane in here and stand them up. Yeah, you can see they were existing statues they've taken down. And it's definitely the standing Buddha. You can see his hand is outstretched. And you can see the hair rolls and stuff. And it looks like they're going to put some of the marble. I see that. That's why they're down. They're putting those marble tiles on all of them. And then you can see that Buddha over there. But one of these is broken off. There's the hair roll right here. So over here behind the Buddha, they have this other image with the two Naga on the side. Quite a contrast. That's gold compared to the white marble. That's going to be pretty nice. So they're going to put the Garuda all up around here. And they have some more that are wrapped up there that they'll mount. Now right here is some rocks. And they say you can see the Buddha handprint and footprint up here in the rock itself. So here they have a smaller version of that big one. That's the little shrine. And people come here and pray. Or here you can see there's the footprint. And up there is, I think it's like the handprint. And it's just on these little rocks. And then they have a Buddha sitting right here. And then we'll take a look at the viewpoint here. You can see the handprint here also. And this is looking south towards Kata Beach. This is the road that kind of cuts the island in half here. And then over there, down south is like the cape with the lighthouse. Yeah, pretty cool. All right, so we do have some monkeys over here. You can see them on top of that stem wall that's built there. Quite a few of them out there. That's a good place for them instead of up here stealing food and everything out of your bag. Go over here teaching some meditation techniques. Just right in the shadow of the Big Buddha. Guys, that's going to finish up our video over here at the Big Buddha of Phuket. As you can see behind me, it is cloudy, so this is a nice thing to do on a day like today. The beach is not as much fun, so jump in a car, rent a van, however you want to get up here. Come up here and take a look at this. This is way cool. I've been here, I don't know, 20, 25 times or so, and it never gets boring, or it's just really cool to see. I always like seeing stuff like this. The Buddha image itself, like I said, is 45 meters tall, and it's something like 28 meters across, like at its lap. It is just absolutely massive. And they've been building it out here since 2004. So this is a continuous project that they've been working on, and definitely worth your time to come and see. It's a little windy today. I'm gonna try to fly the drone. I got permission from the temple. I went and asked them when we came up here, but I'm not sure. It's quite windy. I don't want to crash it because they've had a couple instances where they've had people crash the drones into the Buddha, and that would be really terrible. So anyway, I may fly it if the wind dies down just a little bit, and maybe we'll have some luck, and it'd be cool to see it from another vantage point. Anyway, if you've enjoyed the video, smash like. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, stick around, and then you're notified when I post a new video. If you're new to the channel, definitely, this is what I do. I show you things I see and tell you a little bit about what I know. So if you like this, stuff in Thailand or wherever I go to, this open narrative, then definitely stick around. And if you've been here, or if you have any questions, ask me in a comment down below, and I'll do my best to answer it. And from over here in Phuket at the Big Buddha, remember, life is a journey. Until next time, enjoy.